guys, welcome back to Fatal Pursuit. It's the morning of April 9th. It's the official start of turkey season 2022 for us. I'm headed to go get Cameron, and we're going to pick up family friend Chase and see if we can't get him on his first tom. It's youth season here in Missouri. We got Tyler with his younger brother and dad Drake. Hopefully they all get a bird.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Woo!
Hold up. Get on the right one, okay? Do you have a clean shot? Kill him. Missed. Shoot him again. Get another shot in. Shoot him. Yeah, make sure you put the bead right on him. You can body shoot him if you have to. Just put it on his head full time. Put on the base of his neck. Oh, here they are. Oh, move your gun to the right just a little bit. I see him. Just slow down. Easy. He's coming, just wait. Just take your time, wait. That's up to you, Jarrett. Are you on him? Just wait, they're coming. They're coming still. Okay. Just give it time, just wait. Hold on. Get on that first one. Just wait. Wait. Whenever. Be on him. If you're on him, kill him. If you're on him.
Attaboy! What do you think about that? Let's go, baby. Give me some.
Heck yes.
Holy crap. Holy crap.
Stoner, dude.
Holy crap. Boy. I'll tell you what. It don't get much better than that. It's alright, I gotta take a minute. Shaking like a leaf. We coming to this farm. This is one of our family farms. Connor and I actually doubled here last year, and took one of my uncle that actually is half owner with my parents in this farm. One of his oldest boy took him out. They went out here this morning, and they heard a whole bunch around here, but none of them would come into their setup. And we decided to come in here this afternoon, and we no sooner pulled in, and we've got cell cams, and my dad's cell cam is down here behind the lake, and he texted me and said, hey, there's 2 gobblers on it. So we snuck up, and we was trying to make a move on them, and then 2 neighbor dogs come trotting across through the field. So we were kind of discouraged, and those turkeys moved off or whatever, and so then we came up in here and actually set up down there behind the lake, because that's where they've been showing up in the evenings. It's youth season here in Missouri, and the turkey started gobbling down here in this bottom that we still own. So decided to make a move on them a little bit, and got slipped up here by this big tree, and they gobbled, and it sounded like they were maybe coming a little bit closer. So we decided to just sit here right here beside this great big tree, and it worked out. My focus was kind of giving me fits, so the footage ain't the greatest from the start, but then finally I got him in focus there for the shot. But Renner hammered him. Let's go take a look at him. Oh. Huh? Oh yeah, he hammered him. He just fell over. Really?
Yeah. This is your first time, ain't it?
Well, yeah, this is your first time though.
Give me some, dude. Let's go.
Dude, gobbling right in our face.
Oh yeah.
I seen him pop up, and I'm like, Renner goes, "Can I shoot now?" I'm like, all 3 are
Decent.
they're in a line.
What? 3 beards?
No, when all 3 came in, they're all in a line.
Good beard on him. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. What do you think? Give me some more. Man,